So this is song number 6. It's called Old Birds in the Backyard. I love sitting with them in the sunshine under our home improvement palm tree. Sitting out back with the tall oaks blowing around. My husband kicking back with a cold one after working hard in the yard all day. Silver chested in his frayed old cargo shorts and trying to stay brown. Just like when I was skinny, I spent a lot of time near a beach. But now this old bikini barely covers all the places that it needs to reach. So honey, change into your Speedo brown, those thighs out in the sun. Face me up or face me down, just tell me when I'm done. I love planning and fantasizing about being out on the sand, imbibing in that ocean view, a cold drink in my hand. We'll be pasted in coconut oil, but let's not wish our lives away. This is heaven in New England, a beautiful autumn day. July's hot with its cool breezes. Key West summer's here at our shores. Singers come to us in August, bringing music right to our door. Every summer day is a mini vacation. Every night is a holiday. When the fireworks stop, these two old birds just fly away. I used to giggle at the old ladies who used to jiggle down at the beach. Now my bikini barely covers all of the places that it needs to reach. So honey, put on your Speedo, gonna tan those thighs out in the sun. Turn me up, turn me down, just tell me when I'm done. I love sitting